Okay, we are going to continue looking at style sheets. So let's go open up our website. Let's take a look at the recipe file that we created. So I'm going to go open with Dreamweaver, and there it is. Now, the first thing that I notice when I look at this is that there are two places, line 7 and line 13, that Dreamweaver has flagged as being incorrect, having incorrect code in them. So let's fix those real quick. If we look at 7, it says, if we hover over the red 7, it says the value of attribute char set must be in double quotes. So what I forgot to do here is put double quotes around the character set. Now, the red is still there, but when we save it, it should go away. Similarly, in line 13, the value of an attribute isn't in quotes. So we need to put the value of the image source in quotes. And when I just put the first quote, you can see it thinks everything is part of the image quote. So we need to put the close quotes. And there we've just fixed that. So if I go File, Save, you'll see that number 7 has gone away. It looks like there's still a problem with 13. Let's see if we close it and then open it again. There's still a problem. So let's see. The value of an attribute width must be in double quotes. So I guess I forgot all the double quotes here. So width, so height is also going to need to be fixed. Height. Okay. Now, if we save that, that should be fixed. Okay, and then as you can see now, all our lines of code are good. So now let's talk about style sheets. The idea is to define terms that will apply to everything on a web page, as we've mentioned before. So the basic tag, most basic tag of style sheets is, as you might guess, style, the style tag. And then when we type it in Dreamweaver, it automatically puts in our closing style tag. So now let's take a look at something here. Let's say that we want this bolded stuff to be in red. So the way we do that is between the style tags, the opening and closing style tags, we say B for the B tag. And then we use a bracket. We use brackets to define styles. So the HTML tags are enclosed in angle brackets, and CSS styles are enclosed in the standard brackets. So let's say that we want bold to be red, so we're going to say color, and then it gives you some choices of color here. Or if you click on color picker, you can just choose what color you want. And this is all, you have sliders here that let you choose the different color, the lightness of the color, and the transparency of the color. I just want full on red. As we know from hexadecimal, when we talked about color, that's FF, and then 00 for the green value and 00 for the blue value. Okay, so we are happy with that. Hit enter, and there you have it. Now, if we look over here in the preview window, we can see that it is in red. If I save that, we can preview it in a browser, let's say Firefox. And if I bring over that, we'll see 350 degrees Fahrenheit is in red, and to make lemon filling is in red. Notice that to make meringue is not. And the reason that that is because when I was originally showing you these tags, we did most of the bold using the B or bold tag. As you can see, to make lemon filling is in bold. But to make meringue, I showed you an alternate tag, which is the strong tag. Although it's an alternate way of doing bold, since up here we've only said that we want bold or B tag to be colored red, there's a problem with this strong tag. So we can either define strong in our style sheet, or we can just change strong to B. And then if we do that and preview that in Firefox, you'll see that now to make meringue is also in red.